Hey Liz, hi, how are you?
Oh yeah, I haven't seen you for ages. How are you doing?
It's very nice to see you, yeah. Lovely, lovely. Who's this cheeky chappy who's joined us?
Well, this is our new little character. So, we've been having loads of conversations and we're ready to launch him now. So, I'd like to introduce you to Keep Uppy.
Ah, Keep Uppy. Tell me
Yeah.
about Keep Uppy. That's an unusual name, Liz. Keep Uppy.
Well, Keep Uppy is the CanDo Kerry glue.
Why is that? What's that about then?
Well, if you look in his name, you've got a capital P, a capital I. Oh, and look at the beginning, there's a capital K. So
Ah,
KPI stands for Key Performance Indicators.
ah.
So this little character is going to be taking a lead on helping us with our consolidation and really getting those key learning things established.
Make sure we keep up with stuff. What
Yeah.
stuff? The key performance indicators.
Now, if you remember, when we started looking at this, we started off, didn't we, trying to get 4 in each term to make it
Yeah,
nice and tidy,
yeah.
and 24 over the year. But what became very obvious once we started was the different weighting in different terms, wasn't it?
Yeah, so when we were doing the remember it, some people were saying, the club members were saying, hey, what's the key stuff from each term? And it'd be nice and neat, wouldn't it, for each term?
But it really didn't work. So we, just had to think about the content of the learning and
Yes.
what we really wanted to secure. So we put the
Ah,
numbers to one side. Let's not focus on how many, let's focus on what.
yeah.
And as you can see, if you look in, for example, in year 2,
Oh, yeah, there's a
yeah,
blank. There's a gap. You made a mistake, Liz.
well, it could possibly be that, it happens, but in this case, it isn't that. So we've done all the new learning by the sort of the end of term 5. So term 6, there is no new learning.
Year 6 then, same thing.
Exactly. Yeah. So term 6, we'd even finished all the new learning earlier in the year. No new learning term 5 or 6. So the KPIs are obviously linked to the new learning.
Yeah,
So there
got
will
it.
be stuff we'll be doing and assessing and improving and so on and so forth, but it won't be new learning.
Yeah. Very pretty colours, this.
Yeah. Well, we've linked the colours to the colours we've used right through the CanDo Club. So if you think
Nice.
about the intent documents, the rhombus ones, the
Yes.
colours on there. If you think
Yeah,
about the QLA
yeah.
stuff from the Remember It, same
Beautiful.
colours. So you've got those strands to match.
So place and value, that orange goldy colour at the term 1s. So I can get a sense, can't I? I'm looking at this quickly going, every term 1 and term 2 for each year group has got a yellow, a purple,
Yeah.
some red, which actually is addition, subtraction, calculation. We know that, don't we? That's
Yeah.
really shouting at me. Term 1, term 2, place value, addition,
Yeah.
subtraction, calculation. Keep
Yeah.
up
And
with
so
that stuff.
club members will get this in different formats
Uh,
depending how they want to use it, how they want to look at it.
nice.
But yeah, you can see, quite often term 1 and 2 have got more than the 4 per term because
Yeah.
that's where it's really meaty. They're longer terms, they're heavily number, whereas then maybe later on in the year, they haven't got as many KPIs in some terms.
Ah, right. Yeah. So if they wanted, here's an overview. If I just like you're saying, we'll have different formats for members. There's the 24. You've got a sense for each year group, and then term by term. And
And there'll be more information and more resources coming out about this as we move through year 2 of the club.
yeah, fantastic, great stuff. Exciting, Liz. Really
I
exciting.
know. Yeah.
Boosting that assessment element of the Can Do Maths Club, which I think everyone's ready for now, aren't they?
Well, people have done lots of stuff, haven't they, with the Remember It's, and they've
Yeah.
really liked them. So this will
Yeah.
build in more with that. Yeah.
Yeah. Great. Hey, exciting.
I know.
Fantastic. There we go. Lovely to meet Keep Uppy. Thanks for that, Liz.
Pleasure. See you soon.
Cheers.